In this video, we will introduce you to the Agility Blue Automation Scripting Kit and how it can turbocharge your workflows. The Automation Kit is an enterprise tier feature that empowers users to customize and extend the functionality of Agility Blue in ways that best suit your unique business needs. Agility Blue scripting allows users to write and execute custom PowerShell scripts directly within the application environment. This feature leverages a specialized set of tailor-made PowerShell commands, or commandlets, that enable you to seamlessly query, create, update, and delete the various objects, entities, and resources found throughout your Agility Blue environment. These commands act as a direct interface to Agility Blue's REST API, giving you powerful tools to automate and streamline your processes without invoking the REST API externally. Enterprise users can access the scripting area through the main context menu in any workspace. From this page, users can manage and interact with existing scripts as well as create new ones. To create a new script, select the blue New Script button at the top right. From the New Script modal window, users can use the Agility Blue PowerShell commands to create custom scripts from scratch. Or they can access popular scripts commonly utilized by the Agility Blue community through the Agility Blue Scripts repository. Once a script has been created, the script can be executed manually, as a scheduled job, or using event triggers based on users' actions within the application. In this example, we have created a script that will total all billing for a specific client and place the total into a custom field on the client object. An event trigger was added that uses the creation of a new billing entry as the trigger for our new script. Simply create a new billing entry and the script will now run, totaling all billing entries for the client into a custom field displayed on our client details page. To dive deeper into how you can benefit from the Automation Scripting Kit, check out our help documentation or schedule a meeting to discuss with an Agility Blue expert.